Hello Tets, happy birthday, happy 60th birthday. I was just doing this video and then suddenly may pumasok na Guatemalan guy who always would greet me every morning. He greeted me like, hello there pretty. O diba? At 60, I still wish that people would find you pretty, sexy, and most of all, gorgeous. May you find love and laughter all the way, and may God keep you in His tender care, okay? May He bless you always. Be positive, whatever life brings to you. Always think deep in your heart that God is with you, you're not alone, okay? So, happy birthday. I hope you enjoyed your day. I hope you enjoyed my gift and all of the gift that you received in this wonderful day. Okay? Bye! Ingat!
Happy birthday, Tita Teta. Salamat po lagi sa mga regalo niyo sa akin tuwing Pasko.
Happy birthday, Ate Tets. More blessings and good health sa iyo.
Ate Tess, happy birthday. Alam ko, lumalagutok na ang mga buto mo. Naninigas na yung mga ugat mo. Nagsiswing na ang mga balat mo at two-toned na ang buhok mo. Pero ganun pa man ay lagi kang maging healthy at enjoy mo lang ang life dahil yun ang mahalaga. So, happy birthday sa kuratsa ng angkan ni Chayong. Mami?
Happy birthday, Teta! Guard your health at na ikaw ay marami pang birthday na marating. God bless you always.
Hi Ate Teta, happy birthday. Siyempre Ate Teta, I realize na much wisdom ka pala sa akin ng 2 months, if I'm not mistaken. Anyway, maligayang kaarawan sa iyo at this time and getting of this age, 60 years old. So nagkakaroon tayo ng dual citizenship, sabi nga nila. But anyway, I wish you a 60th happy birthday. And sa pag-uwi ko, hindi ko alam kung ganitong yung mga pasalubong, pero may nakahanda rin akong pasalubong according to our age. Yung mga dating pabango na nire-request mo, itong meron ako dito na 100 ml na pabango mo na kuhan yan, yung kuhan yan, Omega perfume. Meron pa rin ditong Vicks Vapora perfume. Tamang-tama to sa mga pasalubong natin sa ka-age level natin. Anyway, happy birthday. Yung napag-usapan nga namin kanina ni Bubot na i-mention ko daw kung ano yung magiging ano to, yung personality and character ng getting of this age na A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Yung A, nagiging adorable ka. B, beautiful, of course. C, caring. D, delightful. E, siyempre dapat energetic pa rin. F, yung merong fairness. At yung G, hindi makakaiwas, siyempre dapat maging gorgeous pa rin. Yung H, sabi hot pa rin naman. Hot, ibig sabihin hindi mainitin yung ulo pero yung lahat ng mga beautiful characters na yan, I wish and I pray na laging mapanatili sa buhay. Yung IJK nga pala, ang meaning noon, I'm just kidding. Peace. Anyway, happy birthday, and I pray na in closing na God will always bless you. And I'm leaving the Psalms 37:4 na delight yourself in the Lord and He will give you the desire of your heart. So patuloy lang tayo na kung ano yung desire natin sa sarili natin, sa family natin, it will happen according sa plan ng Panginoon sa buhay natin. Sa buhay mo, especially. Happy birthday and God bless you continuously and abundantly. Amen.
Hi Tita, happy birthday. I always pray na sana palagi kang healthy, happy, and sinasagot ni Lord lahat ng mga prayers mo kasi you deserve it. I'm grateful for your existence sa buhay ko at sa buhay namin lahat kasi you always care for us and you're always there for us. Lalo na pag may mga kailangan kami or may favor kami or minsan pag may tanong ako, palagi kang nandyan. Kaya sana ngayong birthday mo, makuha mo lahat ng deserve mo and sana palagi kang happy, Tita. Ingat ka palagi and stay healthy.
Hello, Tata. Happy 60th birthday. Have a nice day.
Happy birthday, Ate Tets. God bless. Ingat.
Happy birthday, Tita Tets! Welcome to the Dual Citizen Club! Congratulations on your dual citizenship! And happy birthday, Kapitana! Thank you sa lahat ng mga nagbabagang balita na inihahatid mo sa ating angkan. Joke lang. But we wish you good health and more blessings. And enjoy your day and
Miss you.
we miss you and we
love
hope
you.
to see you soon. Happy birthday!
Happy 60th birthday, Tita Ted. Love you and see you next year. Take care. Bye-bye.
Hi Tita Teta, happy birthday! And I wish you have a great day and a great celebration with friends and family. Tea.
Happy birthday, Ate Tets! Happy 60th birthday. Wishing you better health and happiness. Bye!
Bye.
Ate Tets, happy birthday. Wish you all the best in life.
Happy birthday, Ate Teta. Wishing you more years to come. We love you.
Birthday, happy you, love you. Birthday, love you.
Oh, Teta, happy birthday. More birthday to come. And good health. Always be humble. Love you.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Susan. Char. Baka naman bata. Bawi ako next time, ate. Pasensya na, hindi piniyagan si Kuratsa. Labas tayo next time, ate. Love you. Thank you sa friendship. Miss you.
Happy
60th
birthday!